Is your business struggling to get more customers? Do you want to advertise your business online but not sure how to do it right? Video is becoming an increasingly hot online marketing form these days. Businesses with good video marketing campaigns are getting more and more customers. And do you know Whiteboard video is one of the best video marketing forms these days? Researchers have proven that Whiteboard video has the ability to gain attention, encourage viewer engagement, and recall information better than any other type of video, just because people love to see things being drawn. But seriously, creating Whiteboard video is not easy. It requires a lot of preparations to create eye-catching drawing animations. We're proud to offer top-notch Whiteboard video services. Our videos are not only created with high-quality artworks and stunning drawing animations, but also so affordable. Poorly made videos that no one wants to watch may end up being more than just a waste of time and money. It could even lead customers to view your business in a less favorable light. So don't put your marketing at risk with poor video productions. Contact us today.